Hi, we are Ankit, Jayesh, Kelvin, and Marshall from the full-time MBA program at Warwick Business School, UK. And we are going to present how a multinational logistics company like DHL has planned some business model changes to address the global climate change and ESG initiatives. As we all know, greenhouse gas emission has caused global warming and thus climate change. Climate change is affecting many aspects of people's living in the world, so as multinational corporates. Climate change increases the frequency of extreme weather events and short-term risk in delivery of goods. Fuel price fluctuation, emission regulations, and rising sea level are other risks in logistics industry that affect its operation and investment decisions. IPCC and C2ES are two excellent qualitative information sources that provide updated climate change causes and effects, and also the policy evaluation. For the details of emission goals and policies, companies can refer to the environmental authority of each country. OPEC is an important information source for the current and coming oil supply, which has strong influence to crude oil price. To collect updated information about extreme weather, companies may look at Severe Weather Information Center and Carbon Brief. IBM Watson also offers AI-assisted weather prediction. NASA and NOAA provide updated data on sea level and also affected area due to sea level rising. With the mentioned information, logistic companies like DHL can create new business models to mitigate risks and make wiser investment decisions. In order to prevent the delivery delay and damage of goods, logistic companies can use extreme weather information and forecast to schedule and plan delivery routes. They can also take the information about the affected area by sea level rising and population growth forecasts into their investment considerations. So basically, DHL faces immediate and long-term challenges around net zero and carbon neutrality tied up to its current ESG goals, along with trying to mitigate and answer the rising demand for cross-border e-commerce in the logistics industry. For this approach, DHL are trying to educate its customers to reduce their reliance on increased carbon emissions by proactively proposing innovative, carbon-efficient short and long-term solutions. The Green Express option is a new carbon-efficient way for delivery through a combination of different logistic options. However, this option may take longer time compared to the existing traditional options. In selecting the way to deliver, customers could understand the environmental impact in the quotation page. The Green Express option will be incorporated through the DHL user interface throughout the customer journey. DHL proposes to offer green rewards points to its customers, recognizing their positive environmental impact, which they can claim towards future shipment parcel discounts. In the change delivery screen, customers could switch to Green Express option that would explicitly make them aware of their carbon usage and incentivize their environmentally positive choices long-term by rewarding with Green Express reward points. Customer could review the historical record with the carbon emission impact for each transaction. Talking about the customer trend analysis, the customer could review the trend analysis under the fluctuation. Customers could analyze the carbon impact from its delivery and consider improvement for their ESG strategy. So introducing the Green Express option aims to educate customers to change their priority from time-efficient to carbon-efficient delivery and provide a way for customers towards a net zero carbon goal. DHL negotiates with the government to subsidize the Green Express option to motivate customers in the long term, and this is how the impact would be for DHL. Our recommendation for DHL's long-term sustainable goals would be to introduce Green Express as a mainstream option, which will evolve with technological and product upgrades, such as innovative packaging, air fleet optimization, and modernization. Further, changing shipment modes, adopting EV transport, introduction of drone delivery, and establishing geographical centralized hubs would be something DHL should aim for, making itself reliable, driving customer growth, and maintaining long-term sustainable environmental impact. Thank you.